All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today let's talk about a shop guru everyone should listen to. And no, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about Becky Witt. Now, you can find her over on Facebook. I'll try to link the group in the description. Now, keep in mind, I've never met her, never had in-person conversations with her. I've only known her over the years, including back to the days of IATN in its heyday. But she talks about a lot of stuff that, well, really helps shops become way more efficient, way better run. But the problem is unlike most of the shop management groups out there, money's not the driving factor. And keep in mind, I don't know if she does, shop management coaching or whatever, but you really should start listening to her. There's a lot of good information. I mean, one of the a recent post by her talked about turning away a waiter. Could they have made money on it? Yes, but it would disturb the workflow of the shop. She's very keen on not disturbing the workflow of the shop. Doesn't do waiters, which already makes me like her more. But the fact of the matter is everything she talks about improves the efficiency of a shop. Making sure technicians have all the parts before a car even arrives. Making sure it's organized. She's got her stuff together. But because she doesn't talk about money ad nauseum as the most important talking point about what she teaches, every other shop management guru, coaching company, all focus on maximum income. All they care about. She doesn't. She focuses on improving how the shop runs, how to maximize the throughput of a shop and put out quality repairs. Instead of shoving more cars through the bay doors, trying to make the most amount of money, which unfortunately is most shop gurus, is run as many cars as you can, make as much money as you can, get another shop, do it again, and yada, yada, yada. She talks about everything a shop should be doing to maximize the efforts of their technicians to do the best job they could. And it's crazy that people don't look to her much more often for what she offers. Scanner Danner's been sharing her posts because she's right. Maximizing profit is not the best way to run your business. Now, running your shop to maximize profit, there's going to be compromises in other ways. There is no getting around that. You're going to have to push people to their max. You're going to be pushing margins to the max. You're going to be pushing everything to the max to maximize income. What is that sacrifice? Well, mainly people. The more you push, the harder you push, people are going to burn out. Period. There's no way around that. And running your business like that, I've said it before, is short-term gains, long-term losses. But that's why they keep a stack of resumes at those shops, is because they know they're going to have turnover, because eventually people are going to burn out. They're going to replace them. They're going to move on. Oh, that one's toxic, got to replace them. Oh, that one's toxic, got to replace them. When you push people to the max, there's going to be fallout. But she doesn't talk about any of that stuff. She talks about maximizing efficiency, maximizing throughput of quality repairs, maximizing the consumer experience, the client, whatever you want to call them. I don't understand why she really isn't at the top of the list when it comes to shop gurus, because she should be. Keep in mind, I have no affiliation to her other than being in her group, continuing to see what she writes, her videos on Facebook. I just think people really need to start listening to her. She's a guru worth paying attention to, instead of some of these idiots out there that preach kind of ugly things. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.